arita njira ya gukorwo kana arita njira ya mehariria Mbtika Cia Olympic mwaka uukite. Timu ya bururi Mbtika Cia Taekwondo ni yumagarite kinya muciini kana ni ikoretwo kiumagara kinya muciini miramas bururi-ini wa France. Timu ino igukoreka mehariria kwa ihinda ria ciumia ithatu, mehariria maria marugamirirwo ni ministry ya mathako guku bururi-ini.
This is my first opportunity to train outside Kenya, like having a camp outside Kenya. And since I joined Taekwondo, Faith motivated me from being a netballer to playing Taekwondo. She is like my model. I'm really grateful for this opportunity because it's going to give me, so if I participate in more games, I earn points, and that is a journey to the Olympic qualification.
For Kenya, this is a big step forward, because one of the biggest challenges we've had when it comes to producing results has been because we do not have adequate professional training, which is really hampered by finances, and we have been expressing this for the longest time.
The National Olympic Committee is very pleased that this morning we get to send off the first team to go to train in Miramas. This is a program which has been discussed for the last 2 years, and finally it's starting off. We are working in very close collaboration with the Ministry of Sports, who are supporting and financing the complete travel and training of the team in Miramas. The city of Miramas, led by the mayor, are providing us with the facilities, with the accommodation, and they have worked in the last few weeks to be able to get us the technical support. Hopefully we see you in Paris 2024.